This video is for putting on a carburetor on a Husqvarna 125B. That's this one here. Start by removing all of the bolts around the pull start. Now you have to remove all the bolts on the shell casing, also around the perimeter. Now carefully unlatch the throttle rod. I've already removed the air filter box. You can just pull the carburetor straight off. Don't forget to empty the fuel out. It makes it easier to work on this. This is the carburetor kit that I bought on Amazon. In the description for this video and in the pinned comment, I will leave the link to buy that. Just so you can see it, there is my old fuel line. The kit comes with a new fuel line that will go into the carburetor. Install the new tubes from the carburetor into the fuel tank. The kit comes with replacement gaskets. Put those on. Orient the carburetor in the proper direction. It helps to know by looking at where the choke lever should be, and place it back on the two poles to remount it. Make sure you get a good connection on those fuel lines. If you decide to replace your spark plug at this time, that's a 3/4 wrench. There is our primer bulb, which we have to reorient into the air filter box. I'm shortening the cable a little bit to help it out. By the way, this is your trigger. If you want to replace that, you can do that now at this time too. So here's the air filter box with the primer bulb. And you're going to put that back in, and then along with the throttle. By the way, now is not a bad time to check the arrestor in the exhaust. You see that that little screen is clean. It's just a few screws. To put it all back together, begin by putting the air filter box back on with the two nuts. Now you can go ahead and put the shell back on, and the tricky part is getting that throttle lock and the throttle trigger so that it's in the proper position. Give your pull start an inspection. Put the pull start back on. Discard the old air filter. You can see a big difference in that. That'll help get out more power. Prime the bulb until fuel starts going.